Welcome to the only video you need to master block state management in Flutter. We'll cover everything you need to know from setting up a block to building real-world apps using a block. Let's quickly define state management. In simple terms, state management refers to the way we manage the state of our app, how data flows, and how our UI responds to user interactions. Flutter offers many state management solutions, and the block is one of the most popular. Block stands for Business Logic Component, and it helps you structure your app in a way that is easy to scale and maintain. It also promotes the separation of concerns principle, where your business logic is separate from the UI code. This makes your app cleaner, testable, and easier to debug. Setting up a block in your Flutter project, you will need to add two dependencies to your pubspec.yaml, a block and a Flutter block. Once that's done, run a Flutter pub get to install the packages. A block revolves around three main components: events, state, and the block. Events represent the user action, like button presses. States represent the UI at any given point in time. And the block listens for events and updates the state accordingly. Let's start with a classic example, a counter app. Step 1. Create your events. Here we have two events, increment and decrement. Both of them extend from the counter event. Step 2. Define the state that holds the counter value. Step 3. Now build your block. Here we handle the increment and decrement events, updating the state with the new counter value. Now that we've set up block logic, let's connect it to the UI. A Flutter block package provides easy widgets like Block Builder and Block Provider to do this. Here we use a Block Provider to provide the counter block to the widget tree, and the Block Builder to rebuild the UI when the state changes. A block is also testable. You can write unit tests for your business logic without worrying about the UI. Let's quickly walk through a simple test for our counter block. This test ensures that when the increment event is added, the block emits a new state with the incremented value. And that's it. You've now built a fully functional app using a block for state management. You've learned how to set up a block, manage events and the states, connect a block to the UI, and even write tests. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future videos. And check the description for links to further resources. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.